guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and if you're new here and it's your first time seeing me, welcome. As you guys know, here on my channel I do a lot of entrepreneurial videos. I am a female boss go-getter, and I am here to share with you guys whatever info and gems I have on side hustles so that you guys can start earning your coin and living financially free.
Viva the diva.
So I know you have watched a lot of videos on side hustles. It is a new year 2022, so we are gonna get into some new side hustles for 2022. I can promise you guys that it's not gonna be the same side hustles that everybody mentions in every freaking video, like influencing or Amazon FBA or drop shipping. This video is different, so you might want to stay tuned. Today's first side hustle is going to be running errands. I bet you never heard of this one. So we're going to be talking about running errands. You guys know we are in the era of the internet, and we're also during COVID, and a lot of people actually don't, believe it or not, a lot of people don't like going outside anymore. Even so now with the new variant that we have. So this is where errand runners come in. These are people, it would be you if you're interested. So you would literally run errands for people who are not able to do it. So this could include dry cleaning. It could include dropping off packages to the post office, which is something that I would hire someone to do. This could be picking up prescriptions. It could be any type of errand where you're able to run out and just grab something or do something for somebody else. So in the description, I'm going to link a platform which is called TaskRabbit. This is a platform where you can actually find these type of running errand jobs. And if you want to go the more professional, do it yourself, build a whole entire business on running errands, I would definitely suggest that you check out your groups in Facebook. Every town, every city has a group on Facebook, so you could advertise your services there, and I'm sure you will be able to pick up some business that way also. Second side hustle for 2022 is going to be a Airbnb experience host. This is not going to be a Airbnb host, meaning that you do not need to have a property, a piece of real estate that you're going to be renting out. No, you're going to be renting out your time and your experience and the services that you have to offer. So Airbnb Experience is a in-person or a online experience hosted by a local expert. So if you are the type of person who loves to cook, you can host classes on Airbnb Experience. You can do cooking classes. I've seen drink and quizzes and stuff like that. I've seen murder mysteries. I've seen people showing animals from the freaking zoo. Whatever you're interested in, whatever you're good at. It could be like a girls' night out type of thing where it's literally just you recording yourself as I am now, and you're speaking and creating an experience for someone who's staying inside of an Airbnb. So like I said, this could also be online and it could also be in person. It's completely up to you, but I feel like not a lot of people know about Airbnb Experiences, so this market is still super fresh. So the third side hustle for 2022 is going to be selling keywords and hashtag research. So this is something super new. It kind of has to do with being a social media manager, because as you know, when you're on social media, us as influencers, we don't always have the time to do research and figure out which hashtags are the best hashtags, which hashtags you can rank. So this is where someone who does keyword research would come in handy, because you would literally have all the research that I would need as a influencer. Like if I was in the beauty community and I needed a certain amount of hashtags to figure out how to like market and how to rank on these hashtags. So this is where a keyword search researcher would definitely come into hand. So when you're a social media manager, you're managing other people's pages, I feel like this should be included with your service. But a lot of social media managers they don't include keyword search. So I think this is something that would be amazing. You could sell it as a service on Upwork, or you could just create some kind of template and do your research and just have it as a one-time purchase. You could do it like that. It's completely up to you. You have the freedom. So the fourth side hustle for 2022 that no one is literally talking about is going to be a digital housekeeper. A digital what? So Sounds like somebody that keeps up with a house, right? Well, it's not. A digital housekeeper is going to be a person that organizes and keeps track of all of your files using Dropbox or Google Sheets. So they're going to be in charge of organizing and keeping all of your files on the internet. It could be internet receipts, it could be pictures, videos, whatever. They're going to be in charge of keeping up and keeping your files organized, and they're also going to be in charge of making sure all of your files are backed up so you're not losing them in a mistake. So the fifth and the last side hustle for 2022 is going to be meal prepping. And this is not going to be like actually making the food, unless that's something that you're interested in. I think there's a huge market for meal prepping. A lot of people do not dabble in it. I'm not sure why. It's literally something that I would do because I feel like it has the potential to make a lot of money. So this type of meal prepping is going to be strictly online. Literally, you are going to create meals, ideas, and recipes for people to purchase. And with these meal plans, you're going to make sure that you're including a shopping list, because a crucial part of doing meal prepping and creating these recipes, as a mom, I cook. If I buy a meal plan, I do want the ingredients and the shopping list to be included. So if you are doing meal prepping, make sure that you include a shopping list for the family to purchase when they are going to be, like making the meals. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I feel like these side hustles are not talked about. Everyone's like doing the same thing, YouTube, drop shipping. There are so many different side hustles that people actually don't even know about. So that's why I decided to make this video. Hopefully you guys found it beneficial and you're interested in one of these side hustles, guys. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.